everything changed today. What an improvement today. Had an extra pair of hands. Somebody helped me today. Nancy actually came up, my wife, came up and helped me today. Really good. So yesterday, all day, I got one up. Look at that. 6 up now. It's nice having somebody to help you. They're all straight up here, everything's straight in line. It's starting to rain here right now. Of course it is. I'm going to put the other ones up here. Probably tomorrow. I get most of them up. I'll just keep working until I get it done. But, oh yeah, what an improvement today was. Damn. Sometimes when you work by yourself, it's just hard work. Look at, they're all tied in together up there. They're all nice and solid. There's a U-bolts up there. I'll climb the ladder in the rain, I don't care. There's the U-bolts. They're all bolted in. Had to cut everything off. Down the tracks, nice with that. There's little clips in there. I have to put a plate here. Just make it fix it a little bit better. This is solid. Yeah, it's all up. Everything's nice. Look at that. Look at that. This one's off a little bit right here. That one right there. But the clips are off. It's funny because I figured they were mass produced. Nope, they're not in the same spot. Nothing is in the same spot at all. Yep, so. Okay. So this is 8 feet tall from the ground. Look at that. The top of the world. It's misting a little bit. Yes. Can you see anything? I can see nothing. Nothing here. Nothing. My excavators way over there. Way over there. I live right here. That's where I live. Here's my new tractor. To me, track 1948 8N. Yeah. Beautiful. This is where I live. I could take that pile of gravel right there, spread it all out. I gotta put 6 inches in the ground. There's my little outhouse right there. The rosemary, that's that thing I got from you. I just gotta clean everything up now. Then all of this wood that's in the woods, so everything that's laying down here will be firewood. Oop, let me take a step here. It'll all be firewood. So yeah, I just took it all down. I cleared this whole spot out. All those trees over there, everything that's laying down, everything that will be laying down will be firewood. Cut it all up. Well, most of it. There's some pine over here, but I'm not going to use that. That'll be for whatever, fire pits or whatever. And it's, oop, I could hear a car. Never know. Might be a car. Might be there. Nope, it was a car. I could see a car. It's a quarter mile or so away. I just saw something move through the trees because there's my field's right there. All my field's right there. I'm going to take a road from over there, go all the way down. There's a little brook over in there, and I'm just going to throw some logs down and mill up some planking, 2-3 inch planking, throw it on top. Yeah, it'll be my bridge to get there. But everything looks solid. Everything's straight-ish. My son's coming up. Gonna finish wiring this up for me. We're gonna have 3 of them. Oh, it's nice under here. No rain. Yep. Yeah, this is it. If you like my videos, subscribe. Follow me on YouTube at Greg Tidd on YouTube. And comment. I want to hear your comment. I've had a couple comments, which I like. I read them. All right. Thank you, and everybody have a nice day. Bye now.